Oh, wow, look. It's a bunch of Christmas movies. Mommy's favorite, the one that give Daddy nightmares. Okay. Look, 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 look.
He doesn't like it either.
Books! Look, it's a book. It's a Dr. Seuss book. Who's this from? This is from Santa Claus. Santa Claus wants you to be brilliant. Look. Ooh. It's just a couple of...
Oh, Fuzzy baby. Look at the pretty colors.
That's from you, Ben. Yeah, all of us here. Wow! Look, it's another blanket. He's not as enthralled with Christmas.
Oh, he's getting there.
Woo.
Yeah, you can see the whole person here.
Look at that one.
Cute.
There's a monkey on
Hey,
it.
this looks familiar.
Okay. It's what you
That
gave
is
us.
Valentine that we got.
Oh, look at this 5-in-1 adjustable gym. Yeah, Mommy and Daddy got you. Look. Woo. Wow. Daddy's going to set that up today. Woo, look.
Put him right to sleep.
Okay, can you move that one?
What's your Uncle Ben doing?
Raymond, you want to sit?
Woo! We're overstimulating you. Okay, look, this is from Mommy and Daddy. More books!
I'm sorry, it's going to be really hard to unwrap, I think.
Look, these are Mommy's favorite books. And he's asleep. Who's this one from? To Connor from Nana and Pawpaw. Oh, wow, more lightsy and sound stuff. Connor,
Press it.
look. How do you press it?
I don't know. Oh, you can't.
I can't. I gotta take it out. Look at that. Look. Woo. Watch him spit up over there. To Connor love, Ben and Aaron. Oh. Look. That's sweet. The Velveteen Rabbit. Look. It says to Connor from Aunt Erin and Uncle Ben. That is sweet. You are going to be a genius. That's a pretty book.
Okay, last one, Connor.
Wow, what is this?
It's from Mommy and Daddy.
What do you think that is? I have no idea.
And hopefully next year you can open yours.
I open something, I have no idea what it is.
Oh, monkey for a monkey.
Just open up the iPod stuff. Oh.
What? Oh, Curious George!
It's a monkey for our monkey. Oh, Merry Christmas.